Replacement cartridge for Katadyn Gravity Camp 6L Base Camp Pro 10L. 0.2 micron ultra-flow filter technology has a flow rate up to 2 L per minute. Provides up to 1,500 liters of safe drinking water against bacteria, protozoan cysts and sediment. Filter protector screen lengthens life of cartridge. Includes sponge for cleaning filter protector screen. Top reviews from the United States. Best system yet. We had 12 people for 12 days with one filter. The last couple of days it slowed down, so I brushed it out and it flowed well enough to get us through the rest of the trip. That was High Sierra with low sediment water. It is a little tougher with silt. I would carry a spare filter from now on. They are a little expensive, but everything is a trade-off. Do you want to carry fuel to boil? The reason I don't buy spares to just have around, is because I lose them or forget them. If you are more organized than I, it's a great choice. I have both the biggest system, which I think is 6L for big groups, and the 3L, which is super light, for myself and 1 or 2 other people. I have been using pump filters since high school, and these gravity-fed ones made life more enjoyable. Katadyn is the gold standard, too, so I feel I can trust it, and it really works.